First, make sure your Honeywell FocusPRO 6000 thermostat is on the normal temperature screen. Now press and hold up to arrow button and fan buttons at same time. Keep holding both buttons until installer setup screen appear. Change the left number to 90, then change the right number to 1. Make sure the display shows 90 on the left and 1 on the right. Once both numbers are correct, press the done button. After pressing the done button, the thermostat will begin reset process. Wait a moment while thermostat reset. When the display return to the normal temperature screen, the factory reset is complete. If you any problem, follow this step. Thanks for watching. Meet you next video.